Hello everyone, hope all is well today. We will be going over the question 1 on categorical variables. At least we'll do the non-computer part. In part A, we're asked to build a relative frequency table for the Aboriginal mother tongue. And so here we're actually given a frequency table. In total, we had 207,205 respondents. And then each respondent had to give their mother tongue. So for example, 77,970 were actually gave Cree as their mother tongue. Okay, and so what we'll do is, if you go down in the solutions, what we need to do is get the relative frequency. So here we have about 37.6% for Cree. How do we compute that? And so here what we'll do is we go get the frequency, which is 77,970. This is for the respondents that identified Cree as their Aboriginal mother tongue, and in total we had 207,205 respondents. And then when you do the ratio, and then you'll get 0.376 in your calculator, which represents about 37.6%. Okay, and so the relative frequency for Cree is 37.6%. And so we do the same for the other categories. So for example, how do we get the 11.6%? Again, we take, if we go up to the frequencies that we had 24,025, and so what we'll do is we'll divide that by 207,205, and then so what do we get? We get 0.116 about, which is about 11.6%. Okay, and so if we go back to the solution, we have about 11.6% in the relative frequency. Okay, for part B, we'll go through another video where we do the graphs using Minitab. Part C, we're told that the first 7 languages in our table, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so these first 7 all belong to the same family, which is the Algonquin languages. And then also in the others at the bottom of our table, so in other, we'll take out from the 20,355, there is actually 3,175, which also belong to the Algonquin languages. Okay, and so what we'll do is that we will add up the frequencies for the first 7, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we'll add up all of these frequencies. This will belong to the Algonquin language, which is 142,860. And then what we need to do is take away from 20,355 the 3,175. Okay, these were actually also added inside of the 142,860. So as we took 3,175 away from the 20,355, we end up with 17,180, and this gives the frequency table that we have at the end of the solutions. Okay, so for Algonquin languages we have 142,860, and then the other has been reduced to 17,180. Alright, so that's it for question 1.